Estate morning everyone. So my name is Rinanti Season, your real estate salesperson for your investment. So andito ako ngayon sa Panabo, Davao City. So this property is for sale, commercial, with a lot area of 1,228 square meter along National Road of Panabo, Davao City. So commercial property. So, ang lapad ng frontage niya, ito. Actually, this is the gasoline station. Expire na po yung contract. So, ito for sale na lang po yung property na to. If you are interested for the price of this property, for only 35 million only. So, if you are interested, please call my number.
So mao ni ang ato ang property na for sale diri sa Panabo, Davao del Norte. So by the way is gasoline station siya before. So with a lot area of 1,228 square meter for the selling price of 35 million negotiable. So mao ni siya ang lapad ng frontage ng property is 50 more or less meters. So along lang siya sa National Road o Panabo, Davao del Norte. Yan. Actually yung property ng location na to is along nasa center of city of Panabo lang talaga siya. Yan po. Sobrang lapad. If you are interested for site viewing of this property, kontaka lang ko ninyo direct or message lang ko sa ko ang WhatsApp number for site viewing of this property. So, thank you. Enjoy the rest of the day.